If you ever lay a hand on my sensei, I'll kill you!
Such big words. I can completely destroy you with a single move!
Take your best shot, fool! I'll give it back to you 1,000-fold!
Okay.
Blacked out like a phantom. Your phone keeps having a tantrum. You won't boy with the party. This song your national anthem. Fuck gold, I'm platinum. My bro sipping on magnums. Got girls flocking all over. Cause I'm young, lit and I'm handsome. If you talk shit then I bang them. You're banned out to the mansion. You've never got no motion.
Sarada? Is this what they say is inside of Lord Seven's body?
Yeah, that's it. It's the nine-tailed beast.
Go easy, okay?
Not sure about that.
Look at all that enormous chakra he has. And he's controlling it so accurately.
Oh, wow. I knew Lord Seventh was a super strong shinobi, but he's even more amazing when you see him in actual combat. His presence is downright dazzling.
Still gonna keep this up? Calm down. Kurama, I wanted to see how I would actually feel if I stood before my enemy. I wondered what I'd do. I didn't even really know myself. And I really can't forgive you! I want to kill you so badly I can't stop shaking!